Hello guys, my name is Disha and today I am doing striping, and this is a very beautiful white and golden design. So the polishes I am using after applying my base coat, the first polish is this one by Flormar. It's a simple plain white polish. I do have a Max Factor Snow White as well, but this time I was using this one. 2 coats of this I am wearing. Then I am doing the golden stripes is with this New You polish. This is a very beautiful golden glitter polish that I have. Now as you can see, what I did, that I painted my pointer finger, middle finger and pinky finger, as well as the thumb with white polish, and my ring finger with the golden polish. Now here is my Scotch tape, and I have cut out a piece of this like this, and in order to lessen the stickiness of this Scotch tape, I will be just working it out onto my palm 2-3 times like this, so that it becomes less sticky. And then with my scissors I would just cut it into 2 pieces, and then on my pointer finger I would be applying it. I'll be making a V, so working out on the center. Here is the center, so I'll just, is that okay for the center? You can just check out and just correct it till you have it nicely. So that's it with the taping. So now I have taped it. Now into my plate I will be taking out my golden polish. I'll just take out my New You coffee glitter polish like this, and then here is my striper brush, and very quickly I would be just taking onto my striper brush the golden polish, and then starting over here I would be striping. You have to just lie down your striper and just do the striping again. Just like that. I would just stripe out. Since this polish is not very thickly glittered polish, so I will be just going over once again. What actually the tapes are doing is that they are just guiding me to be in a certain pattern throughout all my fingers. Okay, so now after finishing up with my striping, I would be very quickly just removing the tapes just like that, and see what the tapes did is that it just guided me. I hope you can see them now, because here the glare doesn't let you see, so now you can see it. Now what I'm doing is that I'm using 2 wheels of rhinestones. One is this white rhinestone, one are these metallic studs. Now this one is from Kunad, and this one I bought from Bon Pretty store. So now what I've done is that on this my ring finger I have used a rhinestone, and on all other fingers I would be using a metallic stud like this, as you can see here. So now the way I will be applying it is, I have my metallic studs out in the plate here so that I can pick them up very quickly, and then I would be just applying a drop of my top coat right here nicely, and then I would just pick up my rhinestone with the back of my brush. I can pick them up very easily. I'll just pick them up roughly with my hand and would place it right at place. See? So that is it with the design, and I would be finishing it up with the top coat. You can let your golden polish dry. If it is not dry, please do not top coat until all your things are dry. So here is my design, and this is a very super simple design. As you saw, I will be cleaning up my cuticles and will be posting the pictures everywhere. You can check out my Facebook page as well as my blog, and do subscribe here on my channel. I hope you like this and this will help you. If you try them, do show them to me on my Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Bye.